In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Vagaro booking link. So in order to do that, first head over to vagaro.com. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here their actual page. Now you can head over and then log into your account by clicking onto this login option. Or if you're actually a business looking to expand using Vagaro, you can click onto this for business option. And then from in there, you can see their pro wherein you can actually have your business get service using this. So you can get found, get booked, and get paid, and you can sign up for a free trial using this part. Now here is actually my Vagaro. So if I want to get the Vagaro booking link, then what I can do is I can head over first into this part, make sure that you're logged in, and in here you can just click onto your actual name right there or your profile icon, and you should be able to see in here all of this. So what you can do is you can click on the appointments option. You can also find it if you have the services option right there. Now in here, you can head over to the appointments, and if you have any upcoming appointment, you can find them right here and then get their link from that as well. Now here is our actual appointment and you can find it right there. Now for example, you're a business that's looking to actually get booked, then what you can do is you can just head over and then get particular business. Just head over to your actual business right there. And then from in there, you can just get a booking link through them by copying their link right here. As you can see, when you copy this link, it has the vagaro.com slash and their name. And then once you share it with people, you will get the book now option. You can also click on the share option right here and you can share using social media like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and you can also share using email through this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out in getting your Vagaro booking link.